P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks. Philip. Oh, Mason.
Is anybody in there? It's the fucking last time I do this. No consideration. Dawn?
This is that second one. I didn't realise I've got two of them. Butty Bach. Wye Valley Brewery. 4.5%. I think there's like 6 out of 10 on this one, wasn't it? Because it's not something that you would go back to willingly. I do have Saltaire's a good brewery. There's two that I do. Saltaire Citrus. There's one called Saltaire. So to try this one, I don't know where it must be Italian lager. Because that one was left it from filling pint glass up. The head's fucked off straight away. Could do a bit chilled, I suppose, but it's not bad lager. So I just got the 5 large bottles of lager for 10 quid from Asda. So obviously I've got 3 boxes of Cruz Campo in the conservatory. This one is 4.5%. This is a 620ml bottle. Some are 660. I've got Kingfisher, Tiger, Ashaya or something. So look, I always forget one. I know one's Tiger, one's Kingfisher, one's Cobra. So I think it's Cobra, Ashai, Kingfisher. Yeah, Ashai, Ashai, Tiger, Kingfisher Premium, and Cobra. And that one, Italian sounding name.
When you're depressed, I'm depressed. I don't like being depressed. It's, well, you know, depressing, yeah. So do me a favor, okay, bud?
Wow. Whilst I await your curveball, amongst the towering inferno of options we have, I'm now going to try, which I don't have a long time, again purchased from the Scunthorpe Asda today, the 17th of April, Kingfisher Premium. And this is the 650ml. Yeah, this is the 650mm bottle. So they're not all 660. The one with the Italian name had a lovely golden colouring bottle. That was 620. This Kingfisher Premium, which is 4.5%.
That guy's body, the one from the lab, it came to my window, you guys. I swear to God. I thought you'd understand. I mean,
Well, that's the Modella Lager, 620ml bottle, purchased from Asda today. Oh, we've achieved all my milestones. So it'll be a week where I won't really get any benefit at all. I'm now going to try. Right, so I've got Kingfisher, Tiger, a Shire, whatever it is. Yeah, Kingfisher. I always fucking forget. Kingfisher, a Shire, Tiger. Anyway, I'm going to get one of them, but first of all, I need to have a piss. Oh, you'll like Night at Creeps. Night of the Creeps. 1986.
Alright, go for it, partner. I mean, she's...
Like the last one, the head has pretty much fucked off almost straight away. But we'll have a snifferoonie. Almost a hint of caramel with this one. Yes. Kingfisher is the bollocks. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Where is it that?
And that's it.